towering pinnacles, Tsingy de Bemaraha. Madagascar is off the African coast in the Indian Ocean. Dubbed the Ark of Evolution, its eco-diversity is extraordinary. About 30 species of lemur monkeys live here. Tsingy de Bemaraha is on the western side of the island. The pinnacle formations cover 1,520 square kilometers. The limestone needles are about 100 meters high. Tsingy means pointed peaks in the local Madagascar language. The limestone seabed gradually rose to create a plateau around 200 million years ago. Heavy rain fell on the plateau, slowly eroding and sharpening the rocks. Sifakas use their long legs to jump from rock to rock. They're one type of lemur. They risk this route to move from one forest to the next. There are dense forests below the limestone needles. The roots of trees growing at the foot of the limestone pinnacles penetrate the rock surface and make their way underground. They stretch down in search of water to the calcareous cave beneath the limestone plateau. The water running below provides Tsingy with a precious water supply. The leaves are available throughout the year and are the Sifaka's main source of food. People began inhabiting the island of Madagascar around 2,000 years ago, and they have burned forests to create agricultural land ever since. Madagascar retains only 10% of its original forest cover. Very little habitat remains for the lemurs. The needle peaks have resisted relentless exploitation by humans who would go all the way to secure land by burning off fields. Tsingy has resisted human penetration and protected the forests. The Sifakas survive within an intricate balance between man and nature.